Good morning, everyone. So
Good
today
morning, sir.
in our science class, we are going to learn new lesson. Okay, that is fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric. So what is meant by?
Fabric.
Yeah, we'll discuss. Okay. So in this lesson, we are going to learn what are fibers, natural fibers, synthetic fibers, ginning, knitting. So these are the concepts we are going to learn in today's class. Okay. What is the lesson name? Fiber to fabric.
Fabric.
Yeah. So
Fiber to fabric.
I think everyone know fabric is nothing but batta, right? Batta. So it's look.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So first of all, what we have to do, right? So first, what take a look of reality of fabric. So we have to oh, take a piece of fabric. All of you take a piece of fabric. Okay, it is a fabric, right? But so take a piece of fabric. Yeah, all of you take a piece of fabric. Okay, take a piece of fabric and try to find a loose thread or yarn at the edges and pull it out. ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయండి అంటే ఈ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఏం చేయండి అంటే ఒక టేక్ ఎ సీజర్ అండ్ కట్ ఎడ్జెస్. ట్రై టు కట్ ఎడ్జెస్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, ట్రై టు కట్ ఎడ్జెస్.
Sir, all edges.
No, one or two edges enough. Okay, try to cut edges, one or two edges with scissor. Okay, try to cut one or two edges with scissor. Okay, see here. How is it? Okay, I have cut. See here. So now what you have to do? You have to
Thread.
find a loose thread. So we have to pull out a thread from this fabric. So what we have to do? We have to do like, okay, just do like this. See here, children, focus on the video. See, I got a thread or yarn, right? I got a thread or yarn. See here, observe carefully. All of you same, try to do same activity. So try to pull out a thread from a fabric. Try to pull out a thread or yarn from a fabric. It is a fabric, right? So try to loosen. See if you do like this, it will, the threads will be loose. So then what you have to do? You have to pull out a thread from the fabric. See, how is it? Okay. See, all of you pull out two or three threads from fabric.
Sir.
Yeah. Two or three threads from fabric. All of you, everyone, try to pull out fabric, sorry, fibers from fabric. See here. See if you observe, yeah. See carefully, observe carefully the fabric. So how the threads are arranged in that fabric? How the threads are arranged in fabric? It's look like a net, right? It's look like a net.
Net.
Yes. So some of
Net.
the yarns are nothing but threads. Okay. So some of the threads are arranging in a vertical way, and some of the threads arranged in vertical way, horizontally and vertically. If you observe the fabric, the threads arrange in horizontally and vertically. It looks like a net, right? So this is how the threads are arranged in fabric. So
Yes,
try to
sir.
find one or two threads from fabric. Okay. Okay. Try to pull out one or two threads from fabric. Then what you have to do? See, take out a yarn from a piece of cotton fabric. So this is yarn. Yarn is nothing but thread. This is a yarn. Yarn is nothing but thread. Okay. Place on
Sir,
the
blur.
yeah, all of you place on the table. Place on the table. Next, press one end of the yarn with your thumb.
What is stucking, sir?
Okay.
Sir, understand.
Yeah, no problem. See here. Press one end of the thread with your thumb. Press one end of the thread with your thumb. ఇట్లా కొంచెం ఇలా చేయండి.
Sir, we did not understand your voice.
Children, focus on. Jashwant, please mute yourself. Take a thread and press with your thumb. Press one end of the yarn with your thumb. Press one end of the yarn with your thumb. Okay. See here. See, the yarn contain small thinner strands in it. See here. You can get some more thin threads from that. See here. Are you able to get?
How can we
Yes,
see
sir, I
that?
got it.
Yeah. Few more thin threads in the.
I did not get.
So try to just rub it.
Sir,
So
I
take,
got.
yeah, take a yarn and try to press one end of the yarn with your thumb like this. Okay. So then you will get two more thinner strands. Few more thinner strands from that yarn. See here. Observe carefully. Right? Few more thinner strands. Did you get?
No, sir, we can't see.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. Try to take yarn, thread. Take one thread and press one end of the yarn with your thumb or anything. Just press
Sir,
this
I
like.
got it.
Yeah. So if you will get few more thinner strands from that thread. Few more thinner strands from that thread. See here. See, you have to take, see here. This is a thread. Take one end of the yarn or thread. Take one end of the yarn or thread. See, rub it.
Sir, I got it.
Yeah, rub it. So, if you observe carefully, you will get few more thinner threads in it. See here. See, I got two from that thread, right? I got two threads from that. See here. Yes?
Sir, I got 12.
See. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Right. All of you, turn off your videos and focus on the presentation. Okay? Turn off your video and focus on the presentation. Okay. So what did we do up to now, right? So first, we select a piece of cotton fabric. Fabric is nothing but batta. Don't you know? Batta ante telusu kada. Fabric is nothing but batta. So it is made by different clothes. It may be cotton, silk, nylon, polyester. Okay. So fabrics made by different types of fibers. So first we have to take a piece of cotton fabric. Okay. A piece of cotton fabric. Then we try to find a loose thread of or yarn. Yarn is nothing but thread. Thread ante endi? Yarn kuda antaru. Okay na? And one of pull out. Yeah. Yarn ante thread, daram. Okay na? Yarn ante daram. So try to pull out. Okay. Try to pull out a yarn ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ఎడ్జ్ అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఒక ఎడ్జ్ నుండి తీసుకొచ్చేయాలి బయటకి దెన్ టేక్ అవుట్ ఏ యాన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ పీస్ ఆఫ్ కాటన్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ వి ఆల్రెడీ did that, right? We have taken one thread from the piece of fabric and place this on the table and press one end of the yarn with your thumb. Press one end of the yarn with your thumb and scratch the other end of the yarn along its length with your nail. See here. Observe the second picture, Nana. Observe the second picture. So if you observe the second picture, the yarn contain many thinner yarns in it, many thinner structures in it, right? So what are those? What are those? Okay, observe. If you are not able to see, try to zoom it. Second picture. So if you press it with our thumb, so the yarn divided into small structures. Okay, small structures, small thin structures. So those structures are called fibers. Those structures are called fibers. So if you observe that thread, we find that at this end, the yarn split up into thin strands. అంటే సన్నని పోగులు అంటే దారం ఇంకా ఎన్ని డివైడ్ అవుతుంది సన్నని పోగుల్లాగా డివైడ్ అవుతుంది కదా ఒక దారము ఇంకా అందులో సన్నని పోగులు ఉన్నాయి అవునా కాదా సో వి ఫైండ్ దట్ ఈస్ అండ్ ద యార్న్ స్ప్లిట్స్ ఇట్ అప్ ఇంటూ థిన్ స్ట్రాండ్స్ అంటే సన్నని పోగుల్లో ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి అందులో సో ద థిన్ స్ట్రాండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద థ్రెడ్ వి సీ ఆర్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్ స్టిల్ థిన్నర్ స్ట్రాండ్స్ అంటే ఇంకా మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే అందులో కూడా ఇంకా చిన్న పోగులు ఉంటాయి సో దోస్ స్ట్రాండ్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఫైబర్స్ దోస్ స్ట్రాండ్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఫైబర్స్ ఓకే మీరు చూస్తున్న ఏంటి ఫైబర్స్ ఓకే దీస్ ఆర్ ఫైబర్స్ సీ నాన్న అబ్జర్వ్ మై వీడియో సి this is a thread, right? It is a thread. So it is split into small small thinner strands. Pogulu. Small thinner strands. See here. Right? So these small thinner strands are called fibers. These small thinner strands are called fibers. Is it clear?
Fibers.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is clear.
So fabrics are made by fibers. Fabrics are made by fibers. And but with different types of fibers. So the fabric contains number of fibers in it. Okay, the fabric contains number of fibers in it. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I think it's clear, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. So here if you observe, so we find, see, if we press it, we find at this end, the yarn split up into thinner strands. Observe the picture. Okay, na? Observe the picture, then you will get. Children, are you able to see my screen?
No, sir. No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Just a minute. I lost my internet connection. Please a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, thank you. Just a minute. Yeah, few minutes, Nana. Please wait. Yeah, thank you. So those fibers, the small thinner strands are called fibers. The small thinner strands are called fibers. Okay. So fabrics are made by fibers. Fabrics are made by number of fibers. The fabrics are made by number of fibers. Okay. If you observe the picture carefully, you will understand. See. So if we press the yarn with our thumb, okay, so the yarn is split into still thinner strands, pogulu. See, observe the picture. If you are not able to see, try to zoom it, the blue color thread, okay. So when I press the thread, so the thread split into small thinner strands, pogulu, small thinner strands. So that still thinner strands are called fibers. So are made a still thinner strands. So those are called fibers. So what are mean by fibers? All cloth materials. Okay, all cloth material are made of long. See here, children. Wait a minute. I will show. See here. See long. See, it is long and narrow. Sannaga. See, సన్నగా ఉన్నావా లేవా ఇవి చాలా సన్నగా ఉన్నాయి కదా narrow thin structures, right? So a cloth material are made of long narrow thin structures are called fibers. Long narrow thin structures are called fibers. So what are fibers? The material are made of long narrow thin structures. Long narrow thin structures. So these structures are called fibers. These structures are called fibers. Okay.
Fibers.
So are you in the same track? Did you understand? What did I say? What are fibers?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Understand. Water fibers also understand, sir.
Yes, very good.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Long, narrow,
Hello,
and
sir.
structures, right? So these thin structures are called fibers. These thin structures are called fibers. So all
Hello,
cloth material,
sir.
cotton, silk, okay, or jute, anything. So these all fabrics are made by fibers. These all fabrics are made by
Hello, sir.
fibers. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Nana.
Can you explain again?
Yeah, definitely. So if you observe a fabric, so it is a fabric, right? So fabric are made by number of fibers. Fabrics are made by number of fibers. So what are fibers? So if you observe, so try to loosen the fabric. So you will get a small thread from it. You will get a small thread from it, right? See, I got small thread. So if you press it, the edge, one of the edge yarn, so you will get the yarn split into thinner fibers, okay, thinner strands. The yarn split into thinner strands. So these thinner strands are called fibers. These thinner strands are called fibers. So all cloth material made by long, narrow, thin structures. These are the long, narrow, and thin structures. So these structures are called fibers. These structures are called fibers. Okay. See here. The yarn split into small thinner strands. The yarn split into small thinner strands. And these thinner strands are called fibers. So all cloth materials are yes, Nana?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, there's means
I did not get
ZIRS means
strands. Pogulu. Pogulu.
this means pogulu.
Ah, yes. Strands. See here. Okay.
Yes,
So all cloth materials are made by fibers. All cloth material are made by fibers. Okay. Right. So fiber. So the fibers of some fabrics. So we, from where do we get these fibers? From where do we get these fibers? So the fibers of some fabrics such as cotton, jute, silk, and wool are obtained from plants and animals. So from where do we get these fibers? From where do we get these fibers? We get these fibers from plants and animals. Okay. We get these fibers from plants and animals. Okay. Which type of clothes do you like to wear in summer? Which type of clothes do you like to wear in summer?
Cotton.
Yes, cotton, right? So cotton is like we like to wear in summer. So these cotton, from where do we get this cotton? From where do we get these cotton fibers? From where do we get these cotton fibers? Cotton అంటే తెలుసా మీకు పత్తి కాటన్ అంటే తెలుసా పత్తి
We know, sir. Cotton means what?
we get cotton fibers from plants, right? We get cotton fibers from plants. So how many? So which type of clothes do you like to wear in winter season?
Wool.
Woolen clothes,
Wool.
right?
Wool
Woolen
clothes.
clothes, like
Woolen.
sweater, muffler. Yes. So woolen clothes. From where do we get that wool? From where?
From sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
From
right?
sheep.
Very good. So wool
From sheep.
silk fibers are obtained from animals. Okay, we get from animals. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. So cotton and jute are obtained from plants. Okay, cotton and jute fibers are obtained from plants. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. Okay, so silk fiber. How many of you know silkworm? Silkworm.
I know it, sir. I know, sir. I know it, sir.
మీ పేరెంట్స్ కానీ
I know, sir. I know, sir.
ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. పట్టు చీరలు ఎప్పుడైనా కట్టుకున్నారా మీ మదర్స్? పట్టు చీరలు అంటారు, చాలా కాస్ట్లీ.
కట్టుకున్నారు, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. My mother.
పట్టు అంటే సిల్క్. ఓకే, సో వి గెట్ సిల్క్ ఫైబర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ సిల్క్ వామ్.
So many times, sir.
Yes, we get silk fibers from silkworm. So silkworm is look like a caterpillar. Do you know how caterpillar is it?
Yes, sir.
Caterpillar.
Yes, sir. Yes, I know.
If you don't know, try to zoom the picture. Okay, last picture. So caterpillar is look like, sorry, silkworm is look like a caterpillar. Okay, we get silk fibers from silkworm. We get silk fibers from silkworm. So up to now we discussed about fibers, right? So fibers are two types. Fibers are, so what are those? Can you,
Sir,
yeah,
your voice is tracking like Veena.
okay, right. What are the two types of fibers? What are the two types of fibers? So first is natural fiber. Natural fiber. And second one is, what is the second one? Another type of fibers. First one is natural. So what is the opposite word of natural? Natural. Natural.
Sir, science marks.
No. Okay. So what is the opposite word of natural?
Sir, may I spell?
Yeah, you can.
SYNTHETIC.
What is mean by that? What is the pronounce of that word? Synthetic. Okay, synthetic.
Synthetic fiber.
Yeah, fibers are two types. Fibers are two types. So one is natural and second one is synthetic. Okay, so what are natural fibers? What are natural fibers? The fibers which obtained from plants and animals. The fibers which obtained from plants and animals.
Plants and animals.
So those fibers are called natural fibers. Okay, the fibers which obtained from, okay, we get from plants and animals. Those fibers are called natural fibers.
The natural fibers.
Yes. So if you, so is cotton is natural or synthetic? Is cotton fiber is natural or synthetic?
Natural. Natural.
Yes. Very good. Right? Cotton fiber is a natural fiber. Cotton fiber is a natural fiber. Okay. So what about wool? Wool. Wool. Wool is natural fiber. Is wool is natural fiber or synthetic fiber?
Synthetic.
Synthetic. Why is it synthetic? Why is it synthetic fiber? So what is mean by natural fiber? Oh, sorry. What is mean by natural fibers?
Sir, what?
Mean by natural fibers.
What is natural
The
fiber?
fiber grow on plants. It is called natural fibers.
No, no, no. Okay. So the fibers which obtained from plant and animals. Okay. The fibers which obtained from plants and animals, that fibers are called natural fibers. So from where do we get wool? From where do we get wool?
From sheep.
Right. Is sheep is animal or plant? The sheep is
Animal.
where it is. Synthetic or natural?
Natural.
Natural. Right. Very good. So we get these fibers from animals, right? So natural fibers, the fibers which obtained from plants and animals. The fibers which obtained from plants and animals, those fibers are called natural fibers. So we get wool fibers from sheep, right? So it is a natural fiber because sheep is an animal, right? Sheep is an animal. So wool is a natural fiber. Okay? Wool is a natural fiber. Next, silk. The silk is natural or synthetic? Silk fiber is synthetic. Why is it synthetic? Why is it synthetic? Can anybody? Why is it synthetic? You say it's natural, sorry, synthetic fiber, right? So why is it synthetic?
Because it is silky.
Is it because it is silky, it is synthetic? No. So silk also natural fiber. Okay? Because silk is a one type of animal, right? Silk is a one type of insect. It is animal. So we get silk from silkworm, right? So that's why it is a natural fiber. Okay? The fibers which we get from plants and animals. So those fibers are called natural fibers, right? So we get cotton, jute, wool, silk. These are fibers from plants and animals. So cotton, jute, fibers we are getting from plants. Cotton and jute fibers.
So
we
which
are getting-
fiber we get from synthetic?
No. Could you repeat it, please?
Which fiber do we get from synthetic?
So, let's discuss.
And natural.
Yeah. Please wait. So, cotton and jute fibers we are getting from plants, and wool and silk fibers we are getting from animals. So, these all are natural fibers because the fibers which we are getting from plants and animals, the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, those fibers are called natural fiber. Sir, what does it mean by synthetic, right? So what is mean by synthetic fibers? Evaranna, what is mean by synthetic fiber? Can anybody? What are synthetic fibers? Okay, see here.
Plastic.
Synthetic fibers are nothing but the fibers.
So the fibers which are not obtained from plants and animals.
Right, the fibers which are not obtained from plants and animals. So from how do we get synthetic fibers? The fibers which are made from chemical substances. Okay, the fibers,
Petroleum chemicals.
yeah,
Okay, sir.
coal. Okay, there are different chemicals. Okay, fibers which are made from chemical substances. Okay, the fibers which are made from chemical substances, those fibers are called synthetic fibers. The fibers which are made from chemical substances, chemicals. So those fibers are called synthetic fibers.
Synthetic fibers.
So there is another way, right? The fibers which are not obtained from plant or animal. The fibers which are not obtained from plant or animals. So these fibers are called synthetic fibers. These fibers are called
Synthetic fiber.
synthetic,
Synthetic fibers.
right?
Synthetic.
Is it clear? The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, those fibers are called natural fibers, right? Is it clear? Are you in same track?
Sir, obtain
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes, it is clear.
No,
Yes.
sir. One more thing.
So, right. Here. మీకు ఫైబర్స్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా అందరికి ఫైబర్స్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా సో ఏ ఫైబర్స్ అయితే మొక్కల నుండి కానీ జంతువుల నుండి కానీ మనకు వస్తాయో ఆ ఫైబర్స్ ని న్యాచురల్ ఫైబర్స్ అంటారు ఓకేనా ఏ ఫైబర్స్ అయితే కెమికల్స్ తో తయారు చేస్తారో ఆ ఫైబర్స్ ని సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్స్ అంటారు ఓకేనా ద ఫైబర్స్ విచ్ వి ఆప్టైన్ అంటే దొరకడం ఓకేనా విచ్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద ఫైబర్స్ విచ్ వి ఆర్ ఆప్టైన్ ఫ్రమ్ the fibers which obtained from plants and animals those fibers are called natural fibers and the fibers which are made from chemical substances are the fibers which are not obtained from plants and animals those fibers are called synthetic fibers okay synthetic fibers is it clear
Sir, can you explain
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Clear.
See, ఇక్కడ fibers ఉన్నాయి కదా yeah so what are the examples of synthetic fiber see synthetic fibers are very soft and strong synthetic fibers are very soft and strong so if you observe near your any cloth so ఏదైనా nylon గాని rayon polyester okay these are the examples of synthetic fibers what are that polyester nylon rayon okay these are the examples of synthetic fibers so if you ask your parent amma mana daggara edana nylon gaani rayon gaani polyester batta unda ani adagandi so they will show to you okay ask your parent not now at the end of the class you have to ask your parents okay mother if you have any polyester cloth in our house please show okay and observe the cloth how is it so
If it is polyester,
yeah polyester
it's
is a
called a synthetic fiber.
polyester is
Polyester in cloth, they called synthetic fibers.
because the polyester fibers obtained from chemicals okay the polyester fibers obtained from chemicals అంటే ఏ కెమికల్స్ అయితే సారీ ఏ ఫైబర్స్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా a small thinner strands right are called fibers so yeah ఫైబర్స్ కెమికల్ నుంచి తయారైనాయి అనుకో అవి సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్స్ అవి ఒకవేళ మనకి మొక్కల నుండి కానీ జంతువుల నుండి కానీ ఫైబర్స్ వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి దోస్ ఆర్ న్యాచురల్ ఫైబర్స్ సో కాటన్ జూట్ obtained from plants cotton and jute fibers are obtained from plants so those fibers are cotton jute are obtained from plants so those fibers are called natural or synthetic
Sir, can you repeat once?
yeah cotton and jute fibers obtained from plant so cotton and jute are natural fibers or synthetic fibers
Natural fibers.
Natural fibers.
because the cotton and jute fibers we get from plant right so plants are natural right plants are nature right? It is in the nature. So these are natural fibers. Same, wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. So do the silk and wool are synthetic or natural?
Natural.
Natural. Because what are the fibers which obtained from plants and animals? ఏ ఫైబర్స్ అయితే ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచి ఎనిమల్స్ నుండి వస్తాయో అవి న్యాచురల్ ఫైబర్. సో కాటన్, జూట్, వూల్ అండ్ సిల్క్ we are getting from plants and animals. These fibers we are obtained from plants and animals. That's why these are natural fibers. So nylon, polyester, rayon, these all fibers, okay, nylon, polyester and rayon fibers made by chemical substances. Okay, na? Nylon, polyester, rayon. So these fibers obtained from chemical substances. So these are synthetic or natural?
Synthetic.
Yes, synthetic. Very good. So these are synthetic fibers, the fibers which obtained from chemical substances. The fibers which are made by chemicals, those fibers are called synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers అంటే ఆర్టిఫిషియల్, ఓకేనా? మనకు న్యాచురల్ గా రాలే కదా, అవి మనం కెమికల్స్ యాడ్ చేసి తయారు చేస్తేనే కదా వచ్చాయి. సో దోస్ ఆర్ సింథటిక్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఫైబర్స్, సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్స్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good.
No, sir. No doubt.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So, yeah.
My science exam marks.
Okay. I will send by WhatsApp. Don't worry. Okay. So, for thousands of years, natural fibers, the only ones available for making fabric. So, in earlier days, there is no synthetic fibers. Okay. There is no synthetic fiber. So, if they want to make any fabric, okay, they have to use natural fibers only. So, natural fibers are nothing but cotton, jute, silk, wool. But now they are preparing, okay, before 100 years only, okay, at the last 100 years or so, they are made, the fibers are made from chemical, okay, the fibers are made from chemical substances. So those fibers are called synthetic fibers. So what are the examples of synthetic fiber? Polyester, nylon, okay?
Rayon, acrylic,
right? So these are the examples of synthetic fibers, right? See here, plant fibers we already discussed, right? Cotton and jute fibers we are getting from plant. Cotton and jute fibers we are getting from plants.
What is meant by jute?
Could you repeat, Nana, please? Could you repeat it?
Sir, what is meant by jute?
Jute is a one type of fibers. ఇప్పుడు మనం సుతిలీలు తెలుసా మీకు? సుతిలీలు
Yes, తింటాడు.
We don't know, sir. Sutililu.
తాడు చిన్న చిన్న తాళ్ళు.
In last picture is there.
ఓకే, గోనె సంచులు తెలుసా? గనీ బ్యాగ్స్, గోనె సంచులు.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. We know.
Yes, sir. I know it.
ఓకే, సో దోస్ ఆర్ సుతిలీలు కానీ గోనె సంచులు కానీ అవి దేనితో తయారైతే అనుకున్నారు? జూట్ ఫైబర్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ స్మాల్ థిన్నర్ స్ట్రాండ్స్, రైట్? పోగులు ఉంటాయి. తార్లు చూసినా గోనె సంచులు చూసినా పోగులు ఉంటాయి కదా. సో దోస్ ఫైబర్స్ ఆర్ ఆబ్టైన్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ జూట్ ప్లాంట్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి కింద పిక్చర్, సెకండ్ రో. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద జూట్ ప్లాంట్స్, ఓకే. సో జూట్ ప్లాంట్స్ కి ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ డు వి గెట్ ద జూట్ ఫైబర్? ద స్టెమ్ ఆఫ్ ద జూట్ ప్లాంట్, ఓకే, ద స్టెమ్స్ ఆఫ్ జూట్ ప్లాంట్, ఓకే. స్టెమ్స్ నుంచి మనకి ఫైబర్స్ వస్తాయి. ఫస్ట్ ఇలా ఎండబెట్టేస్తారు, ఓకేనా? స్టెమ్స్ కట్ చేస్తారు, తర్వాత వాటిని ఏం చేస్తారు? నీటిలో నానబెడతారు. ఒక 2 to 3 days నీటిలో నానబెడతారు. నీటిలో నానబెట్టగానే అవి ఏమైపోతాయి? మెత్తగా అయిపోతాయి. సో ఆ స్టెమ్ నుంచి ఇట్లా ఫైబర్స్ తీసారు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ పిక్చర్, సెకండ్ రోలో థర్డ్ పిక్చర్, అక్కడ ఎండబెట్టేశారు. సో ఆ ఫైబర్స్ అన్ని కలిపి ఏం చేస్తారు, సుతిలీలు గాను, బ్యాగ్స్ గాను, లేకపోతే గన్ని బ్యాగ్స్ లాగా ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఐ విల్ షో, డోంట్ హౌ విత్ ఇట్ ఐ విల్ షో.
gunny bag.
Yeah, all of you click on Sai Charan, J Gangadhar, then you will able to see. So these are the gunny bag, right? So these gunny bags are made by jute plants, jute fibers. Okay? అక్కడ చిన్న చిన్న పోగులు కనబడుతున్నాయి సాయి చరణ్, చిన్న చిన్న
Yes, sir.
ఒకటి పీకు. చిన్న చిన్న పోగులు ఉన్నాయి కదా. సో those are jute fibers. Okay? So the jute fibers are obtained from jute plant. Okay? The jute fibers are obtained from jute plant. Okay, see here. See, దాంట్లో కూడా ఇంకా సన్నగా ఉంటాయి చూడు, ఇంకా సన్నగా ఉంటాయి అందులో కూడా, అవునా? So those fibers, the thin,
Sir.
yes, of the fiber, yes, are all jute fibers. Okay, so we get jute fibers from jute plant. Okay, all of you click on my presentation. Click on my presentation. Right. So cotton and jute fibers are obtained from plant. Okay, repu. Children, all of you in tomorrow class and next class, for the next class you have to bring some cotton.